Class 12, today's topic, regional economic development or case studies. Now, the first part of the chapter that we will be doing today has a number of definitions. The very first one, development. Now, development is a very common word which we keep using every day. But the basic meaning over here, overall improvement. These two are the key words. Overall improvement in economic, social and political conditions of a society. Now, development has a number of meanings. In different areas, the meaning is different. Like over here, you have 4 main areas apart from the geography. According to an economist, development means bettering or improving the progress or improving production, improving the income of a person, and also the standard of living of a person. According to a sociologist, the development will mean that how two people are interacting, relationships in a society. For the political science, it means development in terms of political content, according to politics. For the historian, development means in forming theories or creating theories that explain political history. Now, a mixture of all these, combination of all these 4 different types of development come over here as the meaning of development for a geographer, for people like us or for people like you. Geography means it's a mixture, it's a synthesis of all these different types of development. Geography development does not mean in any one area. It means development in different areas. You can see the areas over here: economic, social, political, environmental. Development combining all these areas means the development in terms of geography. Now, apart from this, we have another point, multi-level planning. Now, planning has to be there in order to develop. You cannot have any development without planning. And the planning has to begin from the grassroots level, from the very beginning. Over here you find panchayat level, that is at the village. A number of villages will create a block. So you have a block level planning. A number of blocks will create a district. So the district level planning. Many districts make a state. So state level planning. Finally, a number of states combine together to form a country, that is the central level planning. So planning has 5 stages, right from the beginning: panchayat, then to block, then to district, then to state, and then to central. You cannot have planning in one particular level. It has to be a very, very sustained method from right in the grassroots, from the beginning up to the highest point. Activities that the planning region has: forestry, fishery, agriculture, cottage and small industries, poultry. Now, these 5 points have been given. In your book, if you go through the chapter, you will find that there are 10 to 11 points. You need not remember all those points. 5 points are enough to fetch you the full marks. Next that we have planning region. A particular area is focused. Over here, area does not mean only a geographical area. Okay? Before we go to the types of planning region definition: self-created living organism with a lifetime that supports life in the region and radiates forces to facilitate regional planning. A time frame is given, a time limit is given. Within that time limit, planning has to be done, development has to be done. 3 categories of planning are there: micro, meso, macro. Very small, micro; medium, meso; large, macro. Very small means we are not talking over here about the geographical area. Smallest area means over here development of one particular special point or a special feature. You can see the example over here. Agriculture in Punjab. In Punjab, only one point is being focused on: agriculture. That is what we call as micro region. That is why you have the smallest and one specialized feature. A number of such areas or such features combined together under meso. Combination of micro regions. Over here, look at the example. Damodar Valley Basin. Now, in Damodar Valley Basin, perhaps we have agriculture being focused on. Region must have the same common points. All the places in Damodar Valley Basin, agriculture is getting focused. A number of larger area, macro, a large area. Example, South Peninsular region. It means a number of points are being developed. Fishing, forestry, agriculture, all these points together are getting developed in this particular area. That is why it is called macro. Micro, small, one point, one specialization. Meso, combination of many micros. And macro, a larger area. A larger area where number of special developments take place. Now that is the first part of the chapter. Your assignments, there are only 3 questions. Please make a note of it. Define planning region, multi-level planning and development. What main activities are carried out in the multi-level planning? And with suitable examples, explain micro, macro and meso region. Put your comments on the comment section or ask anything, any question if you have in the YouTube comment section. Next class we will be doing with the other half of the chapter.